Gradeup RRB JEE and SSC JEE exam channel today and stay updated for the exam. Preparation of RRB JEE, SSC JEE and other exams like DMRC JEE and State Engineering JEE exams require in-depth knowledge of the subjects. Gradeup, India's largest exam preparation platform, brings to you a dedicated YouTube channel for RRB JEE and SSC JEE aspirants. Subscribe to Gradeup RRB JEE and SSC JEE exam channel today and stay updated for the exam. Preparation of
Hello friends, I welcome you all on India's largest live e-learning educational platform, that is Gradeup. My friend, today we are going to discuss a very important session, that is post-GATE analysis. The topic for today's discussion is post-GATE guidance session for electrical engineering. Now some of you might be knowing about me, but rest of you, let me give you a brief introduction of myself. My name is Ashutosh SAXENA. I have 9+ years of teaching experience. I passed my M.Tech from IIT B.H.U in 2010. I deal with number of subjects in electrical and electronics engineering. For example, in electrical engineering, I deal with power system, electrical machines, electromagnetics, engineering materials and engineering ethics. I have written couple of books also on power system and engineering ethics. Now, before I start this session, I can see the number of people joining the session is increasing slowly. A very important information I wanted to convey with all of you. The present pandemic case of coronavirus, we all should behave in a very responsible way. We should act like a very responsible citizen. The first and foremost thing that we all should take care is that we should not panic. That is the first case. We should not panic. If there is any guideline, we should always rely on authentic sources. You can go to the WHO website, you can go to the reliable sources, news channels, not the fake news channels where reliable data is not given, reliable information is not given. Second important thing, we all have to act like a team if we want to fight with this pandemic disease, that is coronavirus. So the first important thing that I wanted to discuss with you, that we as a country, we as a nation have to be very, you can say, we should be closely collaborating with each other as a team, and we should aware with our near and dear ones. For example, if I am coming to office, if somebody is not following the instructions, it is my duty, it is my obligation as a dutiful citizen that I should incite them, I should guide them, provoke them to follow the instructions. Similarly, you people should also try to guide, or you can say inspire your near and dear friends and colleagues and family and relatives to follow the instructions related to coronavirus. This is the very important thing that I wanted to convey with you, and I am sure that we are going to continuously conducting the classes on the same Gradeup platform, and you will be definitely benefiting out of this. Now I am getting the first doubt from one candidate, Monica Mishra. She's saying, hello sir, I am 2014 pass out, my GATE rank is 498 and GATE score is 741. My age is 28 plus, no experience. What should I do? I don't want to do M.Tech, but I don't have any options. Is there any job? Now this is very difficult question. Very you can say it is a kind of dilemma. It is a kind of dilemma situation in which one candidate, Monica Mishra, is there. Now Monica, please wait for the right moment. I will definitely answer your doubt, because I want more people to put their comments, put their doubt, and I will channelize some of the related doubts together. Okay. Now I can see there are almost 30 people who are right now watching this session. Before I proceed to the important points that I wanted to discuss in this session, I want all of you to first thing is that you should like this page. All of you, within 3 seconds, 1 2 3, the clock sets 1 2 3, you should all like this page. That is the first thing. I want to increase the number of likes. This is very, very important to spread this information to the maximum possible people so that they get benefited out of this. Good evening, Shashank. How are you? All of you quickly join the session. Okay, slowly it is increasing. Now see, before I start this session and before we discuss related question and answers related to your post-GATE guidance, there is one candidate, Monica, she is asking about some doubt. See, one thing I wanted to mention here, please listen to me very carefully. Monica. If you are getting a good rank in GATE, it is not simply that you can go for M.Tech only. There are number of possibilities, because I can see that your rank is, you can say, a good, almost good rank. In a good rank category I will put it, because 498 is a good rank, I can say. Not the best rank, but still it is a good rank. It is a satisfactory rank and you can get very good opportunity out of this rank. So if you are not interested for pursuing higher education and M.Tech, no problem, you can go for job also. There are number of possibilities in which you can apply, and definitely you are going to get some good promising career option. Now RD is asking, sir, I got 23.67 marks in EE. What do now? I am final year student. Now Mr. RD, if you are getting these marks, the first thing is that you should ask yourself whether you want to go for GATE examination or not. You have to be pretty serious, and if you seriously want to write the GATE examination again, prepare for this exam with 100% of your efforts, and definitely next year you will text me that, sir, you have motivated me and now my rank is 23. Not marks are 23.67. Now Jayanti Venkatesh is asking, sir, mechanical 25 marks, what to do next? See, if you are getting these kind of marks, the first thing is you have to prepare your mind whether you are going for the GATE examination seriously or not. The basic thing is you should ask yourself, what is the basic purpose due to which you are writing this exam? I hope it is clear. Now MIT Chauhan is asking, sir, if a student just qualified, so what he should do? If you are just qualifying, no worries, no problem, no PSUs, no jobs, no higher education. You can sit idle and you can prepare for one more year and you can go for the next year GATE examination. That is nothing else you can go for. Now there is one Narayana Akula is asking, can we get jobs only with GATE scores such as 56? What are the venues? Okay, lot of queries. Now all of you, the first thing is I will set the clock 1, 2, 3. You all will like this session. That is the first thing. That is the first thing. I am saying 1, 2, 3, and within this 1, 2, 3, you all will like this session, because I can see there are approximately 40 people who are live now. Don't forget to share this page, share this video with your friends and colleagues. We want this information to spread to more and more number of people. I hope it is clear. Now Tanu Ghosh is asking, sir, 40 marks OBC but rank around 8,000. Any chance in new NITs for M.Tech? All these things we will discuss. Now all of you, please listen to me very carefully. If you are having a doubt that you are getting a borderline kind of rank or the score, and you want what are the opportunities which you can explore with that rank, that we will discuss in this session. Don't worry. You please calmly listen to me. Just let me proceed in this session so that we can discuss the important information that I have gathered for you as far as electrical engineering post-GATE guidance is concerned. Ankit is asking, sir, which PSUs will recruit through GATE? This I will discuss in our session. Don't worry. Anusha Bajpayee is asking, sir, I am second year student in EC branch. In which year should I start my preparation for GATE and ESE? If you are in second year right now, my dear friend Anusha, definitely you should, this is the best time to start for the GATE examination, because right now with your third year starting, you will be entering into the core subjects specifically narrowed down to your stream. So if you start your preparation now, you make your foundation basics very clear, definitely by the time you are passing your B.Tech, you will be having enough tools to score a good rank in the GATE examination. Now Arun Mukhia is asking, sir, I got GATE EE marks 37 and BARC is gone good, around 75 attempted. What should I do? Arun Mukhia, you please go through this session and wait for the BARC result, and just pray to God every day morning, and I will also pray that you get selected in BARC or in some good career option. Now Shrikant is asking, sir, I got GATE score 485 general, can I get good NIT? That I will discuss, Shrikant, don't worry. Chitranjan Singh is asking, sir, 47 marks SC candidate, what to do? All of you, I am again saying, who are having a borderline situation and who are not very clear what are the opportunities which you people can explore as far as electrical engineering post-GATE guidance is concerned, just stay with me on this platform. I will discuss each and everything, and I will give you some direction so that you should sail through, you could sail through this post-GATE guidance. Okay, this is very, very important. This time is very important. Let me tell you, the game is still on. The GATE exam is over, result is already there, but still the game is on, because still a lot of things are to be done. You have to fill a lot of forms, you have to appear in a lot of interviews, written tests, and you have to qualify them. Okay, because now you cannot improve your score as far as GATE 2020 is concerned. Now you cannot improve your rank, but within that rank, what is the best career opportunity as far as your personality is concerned? That is the most important thing. I hope it is clear. Now let us go with the first slide that I am going to discuss with you. Now you can see the probable cutoffs. The probable cutoff means for respective IITs and other career options in terms of jobs in the PSUs and other career options, how your rank or the score is going to fare, that we will see. Now these are the ranks. Now please try to understand that if you are having a rank less than 500, let me tell you, I am telling you about the electrical engineering. I am telling you this thing about the electrical engineering, and before I discuss this thing, let me be very clear. These things are just you can say possibilities. Okay, these things are possibilities. Okay, so you should not get a rigid idea about this information. This is a flexible thing. This is the possibility, probable. This is a possibility. If you are getting a less than 500 rank, अगर आपकी रैंक 500 से कम है मेरे दोस्त, then you are a chooser, not a beggar. Then you are a chooser, not a beggar. You will decide your destiny. If you have put that effort, that hard work throughout the year, that your rank is within 500, then my dear friend, you are going to be a chooser, not a beggar. You will decide your destiny. Why? Because you can apply for the PSU jobs, M.Tech in IITs, NITI, top NITs. All these options are open for you. Direct PhD in top colleges. You can go for foreign universities, junior research fellowships and other related programs. All the options are available. If you are going for 500 to 1500, now there is one candidate, Harshit Verma. He is asking, sir, please share category wise. Category wise, I will also share. Don't panic. Please wait for the moment. Let me discuss point by point. Then we will come to your doubt. I will also tell you about the category wise also. Okay. So please wait for the moment. If your rank is lying somewhere between 500 and 1500, then PSU and jobs are little difficult. If your rank is 500 to 1500, then PSUs are going to be a little difficult, but still you can go for IITs and other options. If your rank is lying 1500 to 2000 or 2000 to 300, then you can see what are the career options you can avail. If you want, you can take a snapshot of this information. I am just giving you way you can take the snapshot of this. All of you quickly take the snapshot. Then I will proceed. Okay. With this, I am going to the next slide. Let us see. Now, if you see, it is the list of the latest PSU notifications. List of the latest PSU notifications. With openings for electrical engineering. For example, अगर हम BARC की बात करें, if you talk about BARC, it is taking the GATE scorecard for MIT Chauhan is saying so PSU job is very difficult. See, we will see what are the PSUs which are using the GATE scorecard also, and there are other PSUs. You can see if you are getting it, then okay. If you are not getting it, don't worry. Okay, don't lose your heart. It is not that if you go in a certain direction, then only you will reach the destiny. Any direction you choose, but if you work efficiently, if you work hard, definitely you will reach your destiny. Don't worry about it. So BARC is taking GATE 19 and 20 scorecards, and there is a dedicated exam also. Vacancies are not clear, the status it is released, and if we go by the previous cutoffs for unreserved category, I think it is 818. This is the score. This is the GATE score, you can say. If you see ONGC is also taking through GATE, and vacancies are tentative 95. The status it is released, and for different categories these are the previous year cutoffs. This you can also take a snapshot. I think ONGC, because its notification is released and vacancies are also, you can say, promising, so you can apply for that. NTPC also taking through GATE 20 tentative 41 vacancies. It is also released, and this is the previous year you can say cutoffs in terms of marks. This is the score and these are the marks, 68.33 kind of. PGCIL, Power Grid Corporation of India Limited, again through GATE, vacancies not clear, but status is it is also released, you can go for it, and these are the cutoff marks for the previous year examination. BIS is also taking through GATE 1890-20, vacancies are 90, the status it is released, and cutoff it is not sure, but relatively if you are going for different PSU exams, you can imagine, you can probably judge or make a guess what is going to be cutoff for BIS, and the general thing is that 500 to 1500, less than this. PGCIL, I think it is written again. Let's remove this. Okay. Now let us go to the next slide and see what is the information I wanted to share with you. See, this is the slide I am bringing in front of you, that what should be the order of preference when you are choosing a branch for masters. This is very important dilemma in the minds of the most of the students. But let me tell you that if you are going for M.Tech, okay, if you are going for M.Tech, please listen to me, all of you, very carefully. There are two possibilities if you are going for M.Tech. Number one is research and second is teaching. Now, whichever is your passion, whichever is your aim in life, that you can choose through M.Tech, and related to that you should decide what is the specialization you are going for. Okay. Because suppose if you are going for power electronics, suppose you are having a very good rank. Let me tell you very frankly, suppose you are having a very good rank and you are going for power electronics, but you don't have that kind of passion, aptitude and natural ability for this particular subject. So in future, are you going to do great wonders in this field? No, my dear friend. And suppose there is a candidate who is having a less marks and he is not interested in power electronics, he is interested in power systems. Okay, he is interested in power system. Now in power systems he can do wonders. So a candidate with a low rank, you can say a poor rank, than a guy who is having a good rank, and he has chosen power electronics, and the lower rank guy has chosen power system, but he has chosen power system because power system is his passion. His natural inclination towards power system is there. So definitely that guy is going to do wonders in the future. So whenever you are going to decide the specialization for your M.Tech, it is my personal suggestion that you should always see what is your natural inclination apart from your rank and score. That is very important. If you are simply going, there is one category, jobs also. Because if you see, in some of the good prestigious institutions, there are going to be jobs opportunities, campus placements are also going to be there. So if you are interested in them, then you can decide accordingly. So you have to weigh your decision on three heads: whether you are going for research, whether you are going for teaching as a career option, or you are going for campus placement jobs. On the basis of this information, you should decide which specialization for your M.Tech higher studies you are going for. I hope it is clear. So with this, I will not suggest you that you go for power electronics, power system, machine, or whatever. It depends on your choice, your personal inclination, your personal aptitude towards that subject. So that is going to decide this thing. Now these are the list of colleges apart from the other premier institutes like IITs, ISC Bangalore, that you can see. BITS Pilani is there. BITS Pilani is there. IIT Bangalore, IIT Hyderabad, IIT Allahabad, Jadavpur University, COEP Pune. All these institutions. Anusha Bajpayee, interest matters the most. Yes, definitely. Suppose you are having rank 1, my dear friend. Suppose one of you might be having rank 1 or rank 100 or any good rank you are having. And suppose your interest is not power electronics, your interest is some other subject. I will say go for that. You don't go for according to the institution. You don't go for according the trend. You don't go with a herd mentality in your mind. You decide your destiny by your own decisions. You decide that you want to go for power system. Now what is the best institution for power system? Is your rank is good for enough for that or not? If your rank is not good enough for that, go to next institution. You should always see what is that subject, whether you are going for higher education, whether you are going for job opportunity, whether you are going for research field. That is going to decide. Ankit is asking, sir, which PSU we can expect at 100 rank? See, for different PSUs, my dear friend, there are going to be certain procedures. So right now, directly I cannot tell you that if you are having a 100 rank, then which PSU you can get. You can apply in number of PSUs, and definitely after those procedures, if you are selected, I hope that you will be selected, my dear friend. Manish Chaudhary is asking, sir, my rank is 1819. Should I be able to get an interdisciplinary branch in IIT Delhi? Now देखो, सेम चीज पूछ ली इसने. अभी मैंने इतना समझाया, इतना पसीना बहाया, इतना चिल्लाया, और इसने सेम चीज पूछ ली मुझसे. मेरे भाई मनीष चौधरी, ध्यान से सुनो मेरी बात. इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी और IIT दिल्ली के चक्कर में काहे को पड़ रहे हो? Why you are getting trapped in this colonial mindset of Indian people? That IIT this, IIT this, IIT this. If you are getting your choice in the IIT Delhi, then okay, no problem. That is the best thing. But if you are not getting it, and simply just because of the tag of IIT Delhi, you are going to IIT Delhi, my dear friend, this is not a good thing. You may, I will not say that you will, but you may regret your decision in future. That is the problem. Okay. And interdisciplinary branch you should only take if you are having a kind of mindset or natural inclination to that branch, then only you should go for it, my dear friend. Otherwise, it is better to stick to the core branches. I hope it is clear. And suppose there are different people, suppose if you want to go with the IIT tag also, then also no problem. It's your choice, my dear friend. I am not restraining you. Now, these are the things. You can go to different institutes website, official website, and you can see what are the available courses. I think this is just a small glimpse of that. So, better to go to the related sources, related universities or the IIT's official website and just see what are the courses available in which you can apply. Now, there is the most important question which is there in the minds of the students, preferences of the IITs. Now, we have divided the different IITs and other institutions in some categories, 5-6 categories. The group 1 categories, that is the rank less than 100 or score more than 950. IC Bangalore is there. If you are research oriented, then nothing is better than ISC. If you are opting for research, if you want to become a research associate and you have that kind of inclination towards the research field, then nothing is better than ISC and IIT Bombay also. Now, there is second group which is less than 300 rank or score more than 850. In this, there are 3 IITs, IIT Delhi, IIT Kanpur and IIT Madras. If you are interested, you can also take the snapshot also. Now, again very interesting. K. Reddy is asking, sir, please upload a lecture on 3-phase transformer connections phasor diagram in YouTube. My dear friend, how you are getting? See, I cannot decide these things, okay. If you are, if lot of candidates demand is there, definitely, because I think some days before also you put the same question to me that you want the connections phasor diagrams. That is not in my hand completely, Mr. Reddy. Please try to understand, I don't define the schedule. If it comes in the way of the courses we are taking up, definitely I will take it up. Now, Mayuresh Brahme is asking, sir, aerospace engineering kaisa hai for ECU students? It is a good opportunity. If you are interested in aerospace, there is a lot of opportunities available. Anusha Bajpayee, I am not getting your doubt. Please elaborate your doubt. Miss Sweta Praharsh, I am telling the same thing. Please wait for the moment and listen to me carefully. And all of you, please like the page. Okay, I can see there are almost 40 people live now, but the number of likes are only 26. Okay, don't forget to like this page. If you are getting some value addition, if you are viewing this video, if you are liking the page, why not like it? Okay. Now let us go further. For IIT Mumbai, I have some information for you that you can see. For direct admissions, your rank should be, for direct admissions, your rank should be less than 150. For interdisciplinary, it should be less than 700. Now, for M.Tech Research Associate, your rank should be 1000 to 1500. It is for 3 years and there is a separate written test. I think it is probably on 11th of June. Manish Singh. Okay, Manish Singh. Now, IIT Kharagpur, some information I wanted to give you, only interview, and there are lot of lists, they actually first list, second list, third list, they keep on showing different lists. So, if you are applying for IIT Kharagpur, then you have to wait for the right time. Even with a little lower rank, suppose little poor rank, not exactly 100, 200 rank, you can also get IIT Kharagpur, I think. So if you are having a borderline situation, you can go for IIT Kharagpur. There is one more institute, that is ISI Kolkata, Indian Statistical Institute. It go for M.Tech in computer science, and you can apply with the electrical gate score, and it is a very good institute, very good career opportunities are there. So if you are interested, you can go search for this institute and you can explore the related possibilities. I hope it is clear. Now let us see the preferences of the new IITs. This is one of the most important dilemma in the minds of the students, which is very important for people who are on the borderline situations. The preferences for the new IITs, I have categorized it in the group 5, that is the ranks more than 1500. Now if you see, you can go for IIT Hyderabad, IIT Bhubaneswar, IIT Gandhinagar, IIT Rajasthan, IIT Indore, IIT Mandi, IIT Patna, IIT Ropar. Okay, so you can take the snapshot of this. Anusha Bajpayee, you should start your preparation right now. Okay, this is the right time that you start your preparation. And if you are interested in communication satellites navigation branch from electronics, definitely you can start your preparation. And if you score a good rank, good score, definitely you can go to IIT Delhi. What is the problem? Now there are other good institutes less than from 1500 to 2500 ranks. You can go to IIT B.H.U, DTU Delhi, BITS Pilani and COEP Pune also you can go. Now there is one more institute which is very less common in most of the students, that is IIT Mumbai. अब देखो जैसे ही मैंने IIT Mumbai बोला तो सबका ध्यान यहाँ पर आ गया होगा कि भैया 13 लाख का पैकेज लग रहा है, इंपॉर्टेंट है. बट मुद्दा वो नहीं है. दिस इज नॉट द इशू. द इशू इज दैट IIT Mumbai is one of the less known institute among IITs and ISCs, but it is having a very good career option if you pass out from this institute, and with a little lower side rank you can get this IIT Mumbai college. Monica Mishra is asking, sir, what about group 3, group 4? Group 3, group 4 were those colleges which I discussed after that. IIT Kharagpur and other colleges that I discussed, okay, Statistical Institute, they have been categorized at group 3 and group 4. So you can go for IIT Mumbai also, just find the related details. And let me tell you, if for little lower ranks, for those people who are trying to go for NITs, it is better to go by the CCMT. That is a counseling platform for you, and it is the best way to utilize your rank and explore the possibilities. I think you must register yourself and for CCMT, and you can get a good career opportunity through your rank. For example, NIT Trichy score more than 650 is required, NIT Warangal score more than 600 is required, and related every time different scores are there. You can guess about your rank and what is the possibilities. Okay. Now there is one more program which you can avail through this FPM, that is Fellowship of the Program of Management, which is provided by the various IIMs using the GATE score cards. The eligibility is B.Tech plus GATE score card. It is a 4 to 5 years course, and during the course also you get a good stipend to sail through your financial issues, and after completing this course good placements opportunities are also there, so you can go with that. Okay. Now let us see. Now if you see, there are some PSUs which take recruitment through the GATE score and personal interview. For example, ONGC, if you are having a GATE score 706 or more than that, then you can go for it. For Vizag Steel Plant also there is a possibility. Hindustan Shipbuilders, Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited, AIR up to AIR 350, and Rail India Technical and Economic Services is also there, so you can opt for it. Now there is some GATE score plus GD plus PI. For that you are having number of PSUs as PGCIL, BHEL, NTPC, IOCL, BPCL, HPCL, GAIL and NHPC, and they are the related cutoffs. If you want, you can take a snapshot of this. Just quickly take the snapshot. What is the previous year cutoff and what are the institutes which go with GATE score, GD and PI. I hope it is clear. Now there is some more career opportunities which use the GATE score, GD and PI, that is Nanyang Technological University, Singapore, NUS, National University of Singapore, and they are using the GATE score 90 plus percentile. So if you want to go, Anusha Bajpayee is asking, sir, I should prep. Definitely you should prep smart, score better and go Gradeup. Shiva Prasad is asking, I got 560 rank in any PSU in ACE. Shiva Prasad, I am discussing about now one by one I will answer your doubt. Shiva Prasad, for ECE I think we will conduct another session. I will tell you, or otherwise you can go to the Gradeup app and see whether it is planned or not. I think it must be planned. Right now I am just dealing with the electrical people. Now Ankit is asking, sir, most of the PSUs have not released their notification yet. Are these PSUs are going to recruit this year? Yes, most of them are going to recruit. Okay, I have already shown you the related slides that the notifications are going to be released, okay, soon. Anusha Bajpayee, online or offline coaching, since coaching I can't afford. Anusha Bajpayee, these kind of doubts you can ask me separately. This session is not meant for these kind of doubts. You can channelize your doubt through the Gradeup app doubt section, and definitely I will be more than happy, my dear friend, to answer your doubt. Now I was saying, if you are interested in some Bollywood style higher studies, you want to go to abroad, you can go to Singapore and you can opt for these courses. Now with this I am concluding this session, my dear friend, but let me tell you that we have started the second batch for Vision 2021. You all must be knowing, and those you don't know, let me tell you, with the overwhelming response for the first batch for Vision 2021 that we have launched some days back, we have stopped taking admission in batch 1 and we have started a second batch for Vision 2021, and in this batch also we are getting lot of students response, very good response, and lot of students have already registered for this course. It is a 550 plus hours of live classes for ESE and GATE technical syllabus and 150 plus hours of live classes for ESE and prelims paper 1 syllabus. Let me tell you, through this course of Vision 2021, we are going to take up all the 3 stages, that is stage 1 prelims for ESE exams, stage 2 conventional exams, stage 3 that is the personality test or the interview, and we are also including the GATE preparation, that is the GATE written examination, and post GATE guidance also we will be conducting. 750 plus quizzes, conventional assignments, subject and full length mock test, GATE and ESE prelims related, and most important thing is the classes are going to be conducted in the evening. Sai Preetham and other candidates, I think I have discussed all these things in the related slides. Just go back and see this video again and you will find the relevant information. Otherwise, specifically if you want any information, go to the related website and go with the authentic information, because this is very, very important. It's about your career and there should be nothing more important than your career. I hope it is clear. My dear friend, if you see, right now we are running a 50% discount on the scholarship discount for all GATE qualified students for year 17, 18, 19 and 20 for all IIT, NIT and Government College B.Tech students and ESE prelims qualified students. For more information, you can contact on this number, or you can also call, you can contact with anand.pandey@gradeup.co or the help@gradeup.co. For all your queries will be answered within no time. Now, right now there is one more dhamakedar deal. It is for limited period, and there is a flat 40% off on the live courses or selected categories only. If you are interested, just go to the Gradeup app, and if you are interested, you can avail this offer. I hope it is clear. So my friend, this was from my side. Thank you so much for being with me on this platform. I wish you all the best for your upcoming interviews and written tests in different prestigious institutions and PSU's jobs. Definitely all of you are going to do wonders in your field, because every child, every student is a great potential. But if you want to channelize your potential in the right direction, then you have to make very smart decisions in life. I hope it is clear. Padam, Divedi, Shrikant, all of you, I would suggest to go through this session again, and definitely I think you will get your answer. Now, before I conclude this session, my dear friend, let me tell you again that we as a nation, we as you can say as a team, we should not panic about this coronavirus. We should rely on the reliable, authentic news and sources from WHO website or the government health ministry or the government news channels. We should use only authentic news, and we should not spread rumors, or also we should not entertain any rumors. We should inspire our friends, colleagues, near and dear ones to follow the government guidelines to stay away from this coronavirus. So stay safe, be healthy, and you all are going to rock in the upcoming examinations or the interviews, and any other related queries are most welcome through the doubt section of the Gradeup app. I welcome you all on this Gradeup platform. Just shift yourself from YouTube to the Gradeup platform, and there is a lot of more interaction available for you as a student and for me as a faculty. So thank you so much for your time. I wish you all the best for your exams. We'll meet again some other day on the same platform. This is Ashutosh SAXENA, and I was taking a post-GATE guidance program for the electrical people. Thank you so much. Prep smart, score better, go Gradeup. Thank you so much. Thank you, Monica. Thank you, Shrikant, Padma, Sai, all of you who have been with me on this platform. Anusha, Bajpayee, and all of you, don't forget to like this page before you leave this page, and share this video as much as you can. Asif, Iqbal, thank you so much. Any other comments before I conclude this session? So thank you all of you. Goodbye. We'll meet again. Thank you so much.